Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. What do I got here in my shed today on this wonderful day? A BMW R1150GS with 138,000 kilometers behind the wheel. And you can see it hangs over. It's from 2001, if I'm right. And it's a nice old lady. We have to do maintenance on it. And that maintenance, there is one problem. During a ride on a holiday, the guy crashed the bike. It was on a mountain road and he had a choice going into the valley or into the rocks of the mountain. And of course he chose for the rocks of the side of the mountain road. But now his crash bar is all the way in, coming over, and I'm gonna show you. So on this side you see the crash bar that didn't crash, and on this side, watch, it's against his cylinder head, but also, wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. It's rubbing against his tank. See, it's dented a bit. So first we're gonna remove the tank. Watch, he has a dead sheep on his buddy seat. We gotta start. Come on over, guys. First thing we're gonna do is take the buddy seat off. That should be easy. This one on the tank. Put the buddy seat over here. No. Watch. This is how he got his sheep onto his buddy seat. I think it's a lot of fun when the bike stayed outside in the rain. Okay. Okay, to take the tank off, we need this one and this one over here. Yes, this one out of the way. Then over here is a connector. You have to. Wait a minute. Mr. Postman. Whoa, a lot of sand. So before we're gonna mount it back, I'm gonna put some WD-40 into it. Then, guys, we have, normally there are quick couplings over there, but I don't see them. So, what's this? Ah, this is for his alarm. Oof. First, we're gonna take that bolt out. Bolt in a beautiful let's see. Ah, nice. I'm gonna place a piece of wood underneath. Now, let's see. Behind is a nut. Okay. Bolt out. Okay, we're gonna put it back here. Okay, put this one over here. Now, let's see. Damn. Let's see, guys. First, I'm gonna measure this. We have to put something into it because there are no couplings, which I had them in steel, which stainless steel, which was good. Also had them in plastic, and they broke right away. So measure this one. I think it's 8. Let's see. Get my vernier caliper. Yes, it's 8. Then, now guys, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen. I think this one. Oh. Yep. I got 2 bolts. Both with a, yeah, this one is a tiny shoulder, but this one is a good one. And then, no idea which one is which. So, I have to mark them also. Red. Red. And then I'm sure petrol is gonna plunge out. Okay. Now nice. Not that tight. Okay. Then there you come some. Take that long one, hop, push it in, and tighten quickly this one. Oh, there he goes. Yes. Hop. Yes. Smells like hell here. I'm gonna put my vents on. Put the door a bit open. Otherwise, I'm gonna kill myself. This one. Okay, I'm gonna scratch it. So nice. Then we have his brother. Gonna do that exactly the same. Oh, this is the return, so put this one over there. Okay, let's see. Nothing comes out. Okay, this one. Yep. Perfect. Not too much. That's right. Then guys, we have those two. You just can take them off, and now the tank should be fully loose. So what I'm going to do now, place a blanket over there. Okay. Then hopefully it's not that's my piece of wood. Nice. Then over here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Nothing pinched. Okay, now can have a look every now and then if nothing leaks. Let's do it like this. Hey, ha, ha. Wow.